camera zoom is so terrible. Try to see if I can get that trailer. That's your serious business right there. Oh, let's go. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about.
Hey, that was hard running this thing, man. It was hard. I ran all the way around to get you.
Yeah, I got that. I seen him coming. I didn't want to give it away, but I just walked back and I was just like,
ah, that's so fucking cool. That nuts, you ran out of ammo, huh? Are you better? That's your ass. I thought I wasn't hitting you. I can't even see.
No, you hit me a few times.
You hit me
after I turned.
Brandon goes over and chase you, and he comes around the corner. He's like,
I got it recorded.
I didn't even shoot your leg.
I did something him side, man.